Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing unboxing today. I'm unboxing two wigs. This is Bone Straight and this is Short Bob wig. Now these two hairs history. This hair is from CM Hair by Hills and their shop is in Lagos, but they ship worldwide. I purchased this hair. I want you guys to see what the hair feels like and how much I got it, and you would help me leave a comment on the comment section telling me if the hair is worth it. Do you know the hair brand? Have you bought from them before, and what was your experience? This is not the first time I'm buying hair from them. I have this orange hair that I got from them. The hair is my best hair for now, like since I've been buying hairs, and their hairs are donor hairs. This is Bone Straight, 30 inches. I bought this hair 500,000 naira. I bought brush, although the brush I actually wanted to get was this brush for baby hairs, that short brush, because I have a brush for, and also got wax stick. First off, I love their packaging. So this is 30 inches Bone Straight. One thing I'm noticing now is that this is 6 by 6 closure and it's HD lace. HD closure, HD lace, I don't know. I've actually tried this on TikTok and the 30 inches looks a little longer than 30 inches. That's CM Hair for you, because I've bought from them before. And when they tell you 300 grams, just know it's 300 grams. I want you guys to see like the strands. I didn't know that TikTok and YouTube are two different things. Okay, let me wear something on my hair first. Something happened on TikTok. I first did my unboxing on TikTok. I was like, okay, let me know what you guys think. I bought this hair and this is the inches, blah, blah, blah. And I got this hair, 500,000 naira. I don't know what you guys think. Is it worth it? Blah, blah, blah. Hey, TikTok. Hey. Some people came and was like, oh, it's so beautiful. My friends that know me, that know that, oh yeah, she actually bought this hair and it's really nice. I don't live fake life. Especially on YouTube. We don't live fake life on YouTube. YouTube, I didn't know that TikTok and YouTube end the same, and you TikTokers, they came and they were, it was so much drama. Oh, I didn't pack this well and it has disfigured. Anyway, it's just little touch up. They were like, you people are on fake life. How is it possible that you bought this hair 500k? Hair they sell 200k. Hair they sell 240k. And somebody was even telling some people that we are saying the price. Did they buy it from you? You said the hair is 200 and something k. Now from your hand they buy them. YouTube does it. You don't have to. You can't live fake life on YouTube because you have to be filming your lifestyle. And how are you going to keep up to that? You have to be realistic until your life. You keep growing, you keep getting better, you keep changing new things. You just show people how you are living your life, the things you're achieving, what you're doing, how you're improving. It's more like filming your journey, your life journey, how you're improving. Look at this hair. Like no tangling, no shedding. I'm just seeing one strand and I think that has been there. Okay, that's not it because it's not even long. That's the when I unboxed the short bob wig. I've not seen any dropping of any hair, no shedding. Like normally when you buy hair, definitely it will shed a little at least. But see this one, nothing has shed. Like this is luxury. Like, oh my god, this is hair. And people are like, it's a lie, you didn't buy this hair, you are a liar, fake life, blah blah blah. You are, oh, you bought the hair of 500k, you're brushing it with 1k brush. I'm like, this is not a common brush. I got this from ShopRite. Manicare, or it's even have a brand name. And I'm sure I paid more than that on this one because the hair was 500k and I sent them 516,500, I guess. So this wax stick is usually not expensive. It should be like 3.5. So I'm sure I paid about 3.5 or 5k for that. particular brush. You're using 1k brush to brush 500k hair. Like, am I supposed to use 1 million naira brush to brush it? Are you serious? And the same person was like, you're even putting on gown of 4,000 naira. I'm like, oh, you went to the market with me and you know how much I got the gown, and I'm at home. Just like I'm at home, I just woke up, I'm wearing a singlet. People were like, oh, she's supposed to wear 1 billion naira gown to do it. Is she supposed to wear 1 million naira gown to unbox? She's at home and she's putting on 4k gown to stay at home. Or you're putting on 4k gown to go out. At least she stays at home with what you go out with. So I'm like, oh my god, I don't know that TikTok could be that toxic. Like, it was really, really toxic, man. And I'm like, man, I don't have anything to tell you guys. So if you don't believe, my intentions was just to show you and feel like, oh, is it worth it? And if something you like and you're looking for where to purchase hair, nice hairs, and you love the hair, you could actually follow them all and buy from them. And then the thing is, I tagged the hair brand in my video. I put it in my description. I mentioned it in my mouth. They came across my video and the video was doing well. They were so happy with the review and everything. And they left a comment on the video. I pinned their comment. So it's actually very easy for you to just click on their listing, check their page, check them out and see if their shop is a real shop and how much they put this hair for. Bone straight, they are selling now. If I'm seeing 800 and something thousand naira. I bought this when they were doing sales. So someone was like, you're even a new TikToker. I'm like, I'm not even a TikToker, I'm a YouTuber, please. Better celebrity cannot even buy 500k for this year. I cannot pay 500k for this year. I'm like, okay, your mentality though. So guys, back to what we are doing. So I want you guys to see the length, the extent of this closure. Like, this is where it is. Where else is remaining for it to be frontal? Just here to here and here to here. Seriously, like, this is really, really worth it. I'm going to like style it this morning because I'm going out with it. I could actually like style it, push this back, you know. If it's like this, someone could actually think that this is frontal. I wanted to buy frontal. Frontal is 545k. I'm like, 45,000 naira, 500,000. Do I even have time to be styling frontal? I'm like, let me get closure because I know their closures are like, yeah. And I'm not regretting buying it. The only thing I'll enjoy with frontal is that maybe if it gets here, I can actually tie it at the back. But I'm not someone that likes tying hair. I love leaving it freely. So I don't know. I can't stand up, guys. Let me try. Because actually I'm just putting on singlet and nothing down again. So I want you guys to kind of know the length of this hair. Like, it's really, really long. I don't know if it's worth it, what you guys think. So the history of this is that after the company, the brand, saw my review, they posted my video, my TikTok video on their Instagram page, and they were like, we just randomly came across the video and she did a wonderful review. Who knows her? They should tag her. So I saw the video, I kind of left a comment. Oh wow, they said they have a gift for me. I'm like, oh my god, what else? What gift would they have for me if not hair? Because they deal with hairs. So they sent me a DM and was like, they've sent me free hair. I'm like, oh my god. Okay, that's good. That free hair is this. And I'm going to unbox it. Okay, so review done for this one. This hair is so beautiful. I love it. I'm going out with it today. I'm going to rock it today for the first time for the stage play. They sent me this one for free. And I still posted it. I'm like, people should keep doubting. And I told them this is a free gift too. And some people were still being ignorant. They were like, you spent so much on this hair, return it. Is it that you don't know how to buy good hairs? Blah, blah, blah. I'm like, didn't they hear when I mentioned that it's a free gift? I mentioned it like 3 times on the video. I just had to conclude that, oh, people don't actually watch content complete to get the gist before leaving comment or before concluding. The same packaging, very nice. This is still 6x6 closure, but this one is side pattern and they have center pattern. This is short bob wig and I want you guys to see the strands and how luxurious. Luxury. This is luxury. I actually love it. It doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle, and the strands, it tells luxury when you look at it. Once you get a wig, a new hair, you don't expect the hair to be like 100% nice. You have to do some touch up, like use your brush, your stretcher, your hot comb, and other products to lay it down. Okay, so that's definitely what I'm going to do before rocking this hair. It feels like frontal as well, because when I wear it well, here is going to cover up, like, yeah. This is the free gift they sent for me from doing a wonderful review for them, and this hair is worth 190,000 naira. If you're not in Nigeria, they leave their prices in dollars as well, and they ship to a country of your choice, I guess. I've seen where they replied someone that was asking, how much do you ship to US? They were like 28,000 naira. So their price is actually good. I'm going to leave a link to their store on my description box. Their store is CM Hair by Heels on Instagram, if that's where Tiwa Savage buys her hair. Sharon Oja is their main face, like kind of brand ambassador. All the hair she wears is from CM Hair by Heels. Guys, this is the review, and I gave you a little gist of what happened on TikTok. It was drama. If you're not following me on TikTok, my TikTok handle is gracious Chioma _ and I already left the name here. The link is on my description box if you want to go watch it and see the drama that unfolded when I unboxed the hair, and people were like, it's fake life, you didn't buy it. I can't come to YouTube and tell people I bought this 1,000 when I bought it 500 naira, or when I bought it 200 naira, or when I bought it 5,000 naira, because YouTube is where you find solution to things. YouTube is where, oh, I want to get a hair, I want to get foundation, I want to get clothes. Where do I go? You can come to YouTube and you see people that make reviews that talk, they say the truth. YouTubers do not accept every brand deals that come across them, or every influencing work or adverts that comes. You don't take all. Anyone you take, you make a research, find out that it is worth it, is working, or it's real. Because when you give it out to people, advertise it to people, they trust you. You are like a brand that they trust. So they feel like when you make a review or talk about this brand, that it should be worth it. So a YouTuber is someone that is truthful to her audience, because she has built a community and those people laid a particular trust on them. So she had to always be truthful. That's why you see them YouTubers, they keep changing products. They might be doing skincare stuff, they use this one today, tomorrow they are talking about another one, because they keep trying things out, and before they talk about it, they make sure they use it and they see how good it is. If it is not good, YouTubers will come and tell you that it's not good. It's not good on me, it did me this, it did me that, so that you know when you're buying it. It's not like maybe Instagrammers or Instagram influencer, whereby almost everything that comes, they take it and they just do advert, post it, and it's because the YouTuber, if you post it, the video is there and people believe you for what you said, and when they try it out and they're not seeing any results, they feel like you're fake. It's going to spoil your career. You're supposed to be a mouthpiece, or you're supposed to be someone that has the money, or that have the strength, or that have the energy to keep testing different products and see what works. I want you guys to see. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope the video was helpful, and I hope it was entertaining, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.